What's up, guys? Time for us to install the boost controller on the BMW with the 2JZ. I got this one on eBay, and it comes with this little block in here which says what's the direction of the wastegate. So this is the wastegate side, this is the turbo side, and this one we're gonna plug on the bottom here. And all this is going to do is this here is going to receive the pressure. We're going to control here. I have no idea what pressure is set, but we gotta have a boost gauge inside the car, and as we control here, if it reaches that boost, it's going to vent on the top here. So the wastegate is going to is just gonna let pass through the wastegate whatever we decide in here. Wastegate is set to, I don't remember if it was a 7 or 14, but you know, we can go over 30 if we want to, because I'm gonna vent, for example, 16 psi's through here, and the wastegate doesn't know that we are running 30. For the wastegate, we're going to be running 14. 16 is venting through here. So let's put this in the car. It comes with this kit in here with a bunch of stuff, it's just a bracket and this hose. Experience I have with this hose is they look great and everything, but they're gonna get brittle and they're gonna break. So I have my own hose. I tried to get purple and they sent me pink, so we're gonna use it here. Alright, this is really pink, but anyway, I'm gonna get this foam that I have just to sit in here so I can put my parts. We're gonna open this and let's put this together. 2 holes in the back. Usually it says Allen key, and this is a 2.5. So what we're gonna do is something like this. We're gonna put this either like this or like that. Okay, it's almost like it was made for here. See this little thing in here? I'm gonna put right in there. So I'm gonna find a way to, find a way. I'm just gonna mount this guy. Let's do it. With the little lip pointing up. And there we go. Nice. Dude, this is beautiful. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna get this, and it doesn't need to be long. The part that goes to the wastegate, I think I'm gonna route to up here so it doesn't get the heat. This has a pretty cool area, so I'm gonna just go around and down. The turbo part, it goes right in here. This is so thick. Actually, I'm about to rotate this, so that's why it is loose. So I'm gonna put this in here, and this is gonna be my my thing. The vent is gonna be here, so I'm gonna put right in there. This part goes to the turbo, and this part goes to the wastegate. So I'm gonna cut this right in here, so like this. Then I'm gonna put the little clamps later. So the center part goes to that piece. Now this is the turbo. If you see the turbo part, see the little hole? You can barely see it. And now see the wastegate part? It's big. So that's the difference. And that's what it does. It's gonna keep the pressure in here. We're gonna force this in and just measure like that, and the other one goes up and around. So I'm gonna cut this guy right in here. I don't think this is gonna be very easy to push, because well, I'm gonna plug in a sec. This here, on the other hand, I gotta go, let's go down there and see where it plugs on the wastegate. This wastegate is not very easy accessible, but this is what I'm gonna do. I just don't want to waste this because I still need to have some of this that goes inside the car. I could use the black one for that because it's kind of more brittle, but you know, let's go in there. Alright, that's the wastegate. See that little connection? I'm gonna try to hold the camera into it. This guy here. So I got a plug right in there. This is the downpipe, which is not done yet. I gotta remember not to start the car without it, because man, that thing melts stuff. So I'm gonna plug in here. There you go. So I guess without the flashlight's better. So right there. Now I just need to be sure this is not gonna touch anything. I'm gonna zip tie that guy on the back line. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Yeah, it looks good to me. So I'm gonna cut right in here, and boom, and this goes right in there, right in here, sorry. Okay, I had another idea here, check it out. So I drew, this was a plastic piece in here, so I drew a hole in there. I had these pieces here laying around that I bought, and I'm not sure, I might need to kind of deburr a little, but oh wow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put through here. Oh, look at that, that's professional. And put that little part in there, and then boom, look at this. Just like it was factory. I might glue that in there, and this goes right in here. Woo! And done. So it's connected there. I might need to move this either down or up, but I can't go up because it hits here, so I might need to take it out and move it up, but I think down is gonna work. Yeah, so now I just adjust the way I need. This goes in there. Of course I didn't put everything and cover everything, but you know, there are pieces like this that goes right in there here. All done. So yeah, that turned out better than I expected. The other side, on the other hand, I'm gonna get, so there are 3 holes in there. I'm gonna get one of those holes, I'm gonna get one of this, put in the fuel. There's gonna be another video when I figure it out this here. And the other one that comes out of here goes inside the car, just so you know, and there'll be a gauge right here. And then the third one I just left in there for fun, because I don't know if I will need it, but I wouldn't be able to drill it right now inside the car because I can't clean it. So yeah, and those hoses don't bother. They are for the oil cooler that's going to be right there. So consider subscribing. A lot to come, bunch of stuff happening in this car right now. I am about to receive the drive shaft, my last parts for this thing to start, and I'm gonna start wiring and putting the ECU out in there. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Leave that like button, make a little comment here if you have something to say, and I'll see you around. Look past my face. See status.